These AI stocks are all solid picks. The AI stocks here have legitimate chances of entering Magnificent Seven territory at some point in the future. AMD. AMD has made serious moves of late. Adobe. Adobe's strong presence in generative AI seems to be paying dividends at the moment. Salesforce. Salesforce is in a very strong position due to macroeconomic factors. Let's dive in. Here are the three AI stocks ripe to be one of the next Magnificent Seven. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. The emergence of artificial intelligence in 2023 was incredibly important to the markets. In fact, it's reasonable to assume that AI may have saved the economy in 2023. 2022 was an incredibly difficult year for the markets. The Federal Reserve went on an austere march to bring inflation down with higher rates. Markets tumbled, and recession fears were very high. And then something changed. The emergence of AI sent markets on a reverse course, with the Magnificent Seven leading the way. Those companies continue to do much of the heavy lifting today. Investors now seek to understand which firms could become similarly important moving forward due to AI. Three in particular stick out in my mind. Number 1. AMD. AMD is currently the 44th most valuable stock globally. It has a long way to go if it is indeed going to crack the ranks of the Magnificent Seven. That said, AMD has made some serious waves of late that suggest its opportunity is just beginning. The company recently made waves with the launch of its MI300i accelerator. The technology comprises both data center-grade GPUs and accelerators and has been very well received by the markets. Enterprise customers and cloud vendors are a vital battleground for the next iteration of AI evolution. Importantly, both Meta and Microsoft have said that they will buy AMD's newest AI chip. Here's what's really important in that regard. Each of those firms purchased 150,000 of NVIDIA's 100 chips in third quarter. There were roughly 500,000 sold in total. The fact that Meta and Microsoft are willing to switch speaks volumes about NVIDIA's pricing and the belief of those firms in AMD's newest chips. Number 2. Adobe. Adobe continues to be a very strong AI company and tech stock, but also seemingly always just outside the top echelon. Regardless, it's a strong firm with AI offerings, including Sensei and Firefly. Adobe is currently the 32nd most valuable firm globally based on market cap, putting it in the top spot among firms discussed here. The company recently released its fourth quarter earnings, which were quite strong. The company posted earnings per share of $4.27, which exceeded analyst expectations overall. Revenues exceeded $5 billion in the quarter, settling at $5.05 billion. That figure was roughly $30 million above what Wall Street was expecting. That strongly implies that Adobe's AI investments are having their intended effect. 2023 has been dominated by AI, in particular, generative AI. That's an area where Adobe particularly shines due to its strong offerings in all things related to graphics.